Have you ever wondered how your body grows, heals wounds, or replaces old cells? The answer lies in a fascinating process called mitosis. In this video, we'll explore what mitosis is, why it's important, and the amazing stages it goes through. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the process by which a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Each new cell has the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. In simple words, it's nature's way of copying and pasting cells, so that your body can grow, repair, and stay healthy. Why is mitosis important? Mitosis is essential for growth, from a single fertilized egg to the trillions of cells in your body. Repair, healing cuts and replacing damaged tissues. Maintenance, keeping your organs and skin fresh by replacing old cells. The stages of mitosis. Mitosis happens in 5 main stages. Let's break them down. 1. Prophase. The chromosomes become visible, and the nuclear membrane starts to disappear. 2. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. 3. Anaphase. The chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell. 4. Telophase. 2 new nuclei form around the separated chromosomes. 5. Cytokinesis. The cell splits into 2 identical daughter cells. Fun fact: did you know, your body makes about 2 trillion new cells every day through mitosis? That's like replacing every single cell in your body within just a few months. And that's mitosis, the process that keeps life going, one cell at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science explained simply.